Have you ever noticed how a single, tiny light completely changes a dark room? The darkness doesn't fight it, it doesn't argue with it, it simply has to move out of the way. Up until now, our journey has been about how the Word changes you. But real faith can't be hidden away in secret. It naturally spills over into the lives of the people around you. Welcome to Day 24 of Faith Foundations. Today, we are taking our walk outward. We are learning how your listening ear transforms you into what Jesus called a city on a hill, changing the very atmosphere of your world. In Matthew 5:14, Jesus looks at his followers and says, "You are the light of the world. A city set on a hill cannot be hidden." Notice he didn't say, "Try your best to become a light." He said, "You are the light." The moment you chose to tune your ear to the word of Christ, you became a carrier of his presence. This is the ultimate evolution of our theme, an ear that gives sight. You listen to the word internally, and it becomes a light that others can physically see through your actions, your kindness, and your peace. Transforming your world doesn't mean standing on a street corner shouting arguments. It means walking into a stressful workplace, a chaotic home, or a broken relationship, and letting the truth you've heard dictate how you behave. When you react with grace instead of anger, you are turning the lights on for everyone in the room. Your Day 24 challenge is the atmosphere shift. Identify one environment you are walking into today that feels dark, negative, or stressful. Before you enter it, remember what your ears have received over the last 24 days. Decide to bring the light of Christ into that space. Offer an unexpected word of encouragement. Listen patiently to someone who is hurting, or bring a calm presence to a tense situation. Don't let the darkness of the world change your volume. Let the word of Christ in your ear change their view. A listening ear always results in a shining life. Thank you for transforming your world with me on Day 24. Tomorrow, we focus on the secret to longevity as we look at Day 25, consistency over intensity, staying in the Word daily. I'm Matthew Padiacci, and this is Faith by Hearing. Let your light shine bright today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Have you ever noticed how a single tiny light changes a dark room? The darkness doesn't fight, it doesn't argue, it just moves. Your faith can't be hidden away in secret anymore. Day 24, we are stepping outside. Let's go change the atmosphere. Soaking in the sitting in the quiet, soaking in the sound, but the faith inside your spirit is spilling all around. It cannot be contained inside a hidden little space. It's leaking out your windows, it's shining on your face. It's leaking out your windows, it's shining on your face. Matthew chapter 5, the Savior speaks it true. You are the light of all the world, He's looking right at you. Like a city on a hill, you cannot be hidden. Shining out the grace that the Savior has you straight through the kindness in your hands and the direction of your feet. No more standing on the corner shouting out a fight. Just walking in the room and turning on the light. The moment that you chose to tune your listening ear, you became a carrier of presence sharp and clear. An internal message becomes an outward view when they see the peace of Jesus work inside of you. When they see the peace of Jesus working inside of you. A chaotic home, a stressful workplace grid. You show them what the hidden power of the gospel did. Reacting with the grace instead of anger in the room, bringing down a fire that will scatter all the gloom. You don't need a megaphone to make the world behave. Just let the word you've heard be the anchor and the wave. atmosphere shift. Identify the place where the heavy shadows drift. Before you cross the threshold, remember what you've heard. Over 420 days of encouragement today. Bring a calm and patient presence to the chaos in the way. A listening ear always results in a shine. And go silence all the darkness, go silence all the strife. Let your light shine bright today.